Dear students, today we start fourth chapter Geometry Construction. In this chapter there are two exercises. First one is depends on similar triangles and second one is depends on the circle. So first we focus on first exercise 4.1, which is related with similar triangles. And in case of similar triangles, you know that the basic property, when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportions and corresponding angles are congruent. If we take triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, the corresponding sides are AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Means these ratios are constant and the corresponding angles, means angle A is congruent to angle P, angle Q is congruent to angle B, and angle C is congruent to angle R. So these three angles are congruent. And to draw triangles, minimum 3 are required. 3 things are required, means 2 angles and the corresponding sides, as well as 2 sides and the angle between them. So in this case, we have to construct of a triangle similar to the given triangle. To construct a triangle similar to a given triangle bearing the given ratio with the sides of the given triangle. Actually there are two types. When the vertices are distinct, means different, all three vertices are different in both the triangles. And the second one is that when one vertex is common. First we focus on when the vertices are distinct, means different. So the first example is related with the first point. All the vertices are distinct or different. As triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN, you have given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.5 cm, BC is 6 cm, CA is 4.5 cm. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN is equal to 5 by 4. What this ratio indicates, means BC upon MN is equal to 5 by 4. If we take x as a common multiple, we get BC is equal to 5x, MN is equal to 4x. So the value of BC is greater than MN. This indicates that triangle ABC is bigger than the triangle LMN. In this case, the vertices are different, so you have to find separately the values of LM, MN and LN. Then we construct separately. You are given as triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN. Now write down the ratio of the corresponding sides. AB upon LN is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN by CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. But this ratio is given and also the values are also given. AB is 5.5 upon LM, BC is 6 upon MN, then CA is 4.5 upon ln, and the value of this ratio is 5:4. Now equating the values, 5.5 upon ln 5/4. Now taking the cross multiplication, therefore Lm is equal to 5.5 into 4 upon 5. And if we divided by 5 to this value, we get 1.1. 1.1 into 4, we get 4.4 centimeter. Similarly, you can find Mn, 6 upon Mn, 6 upon Mn is equal to 5/4. Again take the cross multiplication and we get Mn is equal to 6 into 4 upon 5. Then 5 8s are 40. So we get 0.8. 0.8 into 6. Value is 4.8 centimeter. Actually 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. 1.2 into 4, again we get 4.8. And the last one is 4.5 upon ln is equal to 5/4. Again we get the value of ln is 4.5 into 4 upon 5. If we divide by 5, we get 0.9. 0.9 into 4, we get 3.6 centimeter. And as you get the value of Lm, Mn and Ln, you can draw a triangle. First, for the triangle ABC, now you have to construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN separately. By using this ratio, we find the values of Lm, Mn and Ln. And as you know the three values of these sides, you can draw triangle. So for the triangle ABC, first take BC as a base, taking BC as a 6 centimeter. Now take AB is given 5.5, take a 5.5 centimeter in a compass, draw this first arc. Then taking CA 4.5 centimeter in a compass, draw the another arc, and we get this point of intersection, and that point of intersection is A. And if we join this AB, and AC, and we get this first triangle ABC. Now write down the length of the sides 5.5 centimeter, and this is 4.5 centimeter, and we get this triangle ABC. Now the another one is construct triangle LMN. So for the LMN, taking Mn as a base, having 4.8 centimeter. Then taking LM as a 4.4 centimeter. Taking 4.4 centimeter, draw the arc. This way we get the first arc. And second one is taking ln 3.6 centimeter in a compass, draw the another arc, and we get this type of arc. And if we join these points LMN, and we get the another triangle LMN, the corresponding length of the sides are 4.4 centimeter, and another one is 3.6 centimeter. And we get these two different types of triangles. So in this case, in this first sum, you are given three sides of the triangles. So you have to find three sides of the remaining triangle and draw triangle separately. And if he has given two sides and the angle, and in case of similar triangles, angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are in proportions. So find the corresponding two sides and the angle is remain as it is. So you will try for the third sum. Now the first sum is over. If you have any problem, ask me in a group, and this is so easy construction, and in this way, and this sum carries 3 marks. Now we'll take the second type of construction. Before starting this one, first you have to draw this figure. Now taking the screenshot for this first sum.